Hey everybody, this is Jasmine LaPrade, here to check out the brand new Robotics Club at Tench Tilghman Elementary Middle School, where these kids are gearing up for a big competition. Right now, the students are reprogramming the robot in order to make it drive. I'm here with Raymond. So Raymond, can you tell me about what you guys are doing?
What we doing is right now we are putting our USB inside the computer so we can program, and our program will lead to our robot brain. So when we put it inside of our controller, we'll be able to drive.
I love the Robotics Club and I love being here. I never thought that I would be much of a coder or an engineer, but this really brought out of a side of me that I never really saw, so it means a lot to me.
I'm motivated to come to school because the Robotics Club has something for me to do after school.
They're applying what they're learning in classrooms to be able to build this and to be able to program it, and how it applies to their real world after high school or after college is that there are careers in which these skills directly apply to what they would be doing on a day-to-day basis.
I feel like robotics can help me become an engineer one day.
I have a competition coming up. How are you guys preparing for that?
Well, I think it's going to be fun and it's going to be scary at the same time, but I really hope we win. And what we're doing is we're doing the same stuff we're doing. We prepared and we're going to get ready, and I hope we win.
We're preparing for it by right now we've tried making an autonomous program so that in 15 seconds it can move by itself, hopefully get a cone up on top of the stand, I guess.
Do you know what the judges are scoring you guys on?
We get scored by our automaticity, which means the robot got to drive by itself for about 15 minutes until we start our round. And then after that, we get judged on our park, and after the round over, we get judged by these giant cones. Like if we land on a certain cone and we get it in our area, we get points for that too.
Mission accomplished. After multiple attempts, the students were able to make the robot drive. Robotics has these kids motivated for school and eager to learn more. This has been Jasmine LaPrade for the City School Student Media Team. See you next time.